Hey you guys, this is part 2 for the people who want to see the mukbang of me eating this, or want to see me eating this for a mukbang. Part 2 for you guys who haven't seen my last video yet. Sorry I can't speak, but I got pasta, Mexican rice, biscuits, I put cheese in it, I love it, and baked chicken, and now rice, squirt. Gonna fuck it up. Usually I eat tortillas and jalapenos, but besides tortillas I have biscuits. Besides jalapeno I have homemade salsa. My dad makes it at a Mexican restaurant. This one is like a red sauce, like tomato-y, chunky, and I'm gonna put that on my pasta because it gives it flavor. This one's not really spicy. I'm pretty sure y'all would think it's spicy, but it's not. I'm gonna put a little because I'm gonna get more of the spicy kind. This kind, what would you say it is? Green? Like a greenish red sauce, this consistency, and this one's spicier, so I'm gonna put this on my rice. Give it a little coat, a little more on the pasta. Oh yeah, look at that drizzled. Okay, now it's time to eat. I haven't eaten all day. I woke up early, but was lazing around and just decided to start cooking. This is my first meal, and it's like what time is it?
1:49.
1:49. Try the rice. Look how fluffy that shit is. Bro, so good. You hear my sister? She's ready to get fucked up. Beautiful. This is so good right now. Not because of the video, because it's so fucking good. She used her chicken skin, which is hella crispy, and look, it just stays like that as a tortilla, and she piled stuff on it. I used to do that. If you hear my nose running, it's that salsa kicking in. But no worries, I'll survive. Oh my god, this is so good. If only you guys can taste it. Now, let me say, if you're watching this video and haven't seen my last, go watch it. I made this whole meal. My sister helped me with the marinated chicken yesterday. She marinated overnight, and she helped me with the biscuits. But she's the one who taught me. How to make Mexican rice. And of course, like, I would never be good at reading directions and shit, but she helped me out with that too. So yeah, so go watch that video. Salsa on salsa. I think that's the best. If you guys like salsa. I never tried guac sauce. Salsa? Sounds good. I love avocados. I was gonna say guacamole. Same thing. And I give my dog the bones because he's fat as well. Here, baby. I don't care if they tell me I can't get my dog bones. I'm not the only person who gives him bones. So
he ain't dumb. You know how to eat them.
Yes, he knows how to eat them. When it gets stuck in his tooth, he paws it out. Or when Thea or Mama gotta help him, we'll do that too. He won't bite us because we'll beat his fucking ass. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Back to business. I'm gonna eat this for you, of course, but I want to do a little talking here and there. I don't want to bore you guys. But yeah, if you guys want to eat with me, go get some food, get some drinks, and eat with me. Eat with me. Yesterday, I got my movie that I've been waiting for, Overboard, the new one with Anna Faris, and I think that's her name. And what's his name?
Eugenio Derbez. I don't know the last name. Derbez.
That Mexican actor. He's so fucking hilarious. He's in so many movies. It's funny. But yeah, it's called Overboard. I like the first one too with Goldie Hawn. And that white guy, I forgot his name. But this one, honestly, takes the cake. I like it. There's my mama. So I don't know how all these mukbangers, like Honey Eats and what's that other girl's name? Kimmy and what's that white girl? Divine and Chunky. I don't know how they have bare spoons usually. What spoons or depending what they're eating. I don't know how they do that. I barely fit whatever was in here you guys seen in my mouth. And they're just fucking, oh, I'm fat with a big mouth. And they're over there just doing it like it's nothing.
I bet I could.
Of course she could. She'll lockjaw just to get it.
It's a right truck, tell me.
Uh-huh. Y'all don't laugh with rice in your mouth. It's gonna just go back. Look at that. Delicious.
I picked them up.
You know what's annoying? The dumb. Oh. She thought I was asking her.
I thought I had food.
Well, that too. Yeah, I'm asking you too. But the thing is, all my other mukbang videos, they had like, say, I got a meal from Carl's Jr.'s or something, and it's just a burger, the fries, and whatsoever. And people are like, look how she takes so long. Or 2 sausage egg muffins I had one day just for breakfast. They're like, really? It gotta be this long for 2? She's eating so on purpose. Like, you don't know me, so you shouldn't talk or keep your judgment to yourself. Because if you really knew me, if you were a family or a friend of me, you would know I'm a slow eater. I like to enjoy my fucking food. I could smell my food all I want because it's going in my mouth. It smells delicious and it tastes delicious. So fuck those motherfuckers who say that shit. But yeah.
Well, you are the last one in the restaurant.
But I know that. But they're saying like, oh, she's doing it just for the video. Oh, she's doing it for attention, or just shit like that. Like, no.
Excuse me. 2 hours.
I really eat that slow. Calm your tits, bitch. Calm your tits. Sorry for my cursing, because honestly, I don't get paid by YouTube, so I really don't care. They want to take it down, take it down. Well,
oh, my goodness. Having a moment when I could.
Charlie, what do you think about the food? It's good. Just remember, she's starving, so she'll say anything to shut me up.
No,
I'm kidding.
It's trash. First, where your bones at?
I know.
Greedy. Rip that chicken out. Piece of chicken.
It's hot.
That's why we're running off all so cool down. Fuck your swallow. Go, what?
You got some chicken, I don't care. Here. Here, my fatty. Take it with you. You little chicken.
So I let that slide.
This shit is so fucking delicious. Oh, sorry. Sorry, not sorry. You guys, I'm so sad for Demi. That she has mental health issues. And she's going through some shit. And all these people are judging her. They don't understand. They don't understand. But I'm so sad. I hope she stays strong and just copes and gets better. Besides doing something drastic. Because she will be missed. But
she gave up her phone because she said that's the only way she knows she can't get in contact with those people.
Good.
She don't have their numbers.
Good. But that's fine now. You know, people, they go to rehab, they do all this, and then once they're out,
I hope she does better.
especially when you're living in the spotlight, you know.
And they're saying that she's putting Wilmer on the back burner.
Good. Honestly, yeah.
She drop her.
Yeah, because she's hurt. She still loves him. You can't be friends with people you love. You can't be friends with exes. Like, they're exes for a reason. And if you say you can be a friend with an ex, that's not true. You could be casual and friendly if you got kids. But you cannot be friends with exes. And it's disrespectful to even be a friend with exes if you have someone new. But that's just my opinion. What was it?
Huh?
What was it?
Movie.
I'm pissed. Whatever. Did I scare him?
No, this table's already wonky.
I don't give a fuck about her fucking table.
I'm gonna put this
Like, yeah.
I sure want to clap on
You guys don't tell nobody. Be like, yeah, your wife broke the fucking table. Tell her. Because I really don't give a fuck anymore. Don't you hate when you're fake or being just casual or just being a good person with other people that you don't like stuff, but you're not gonna fuck it up because you don't want yours fucked up, right? But when it comes to them, they just throw it, they just do stupid shit. Pisses me off. Pisses me off. She's getting full.
I'm gonna make it. Make it till I pop. Fucking shit. Spit it off often.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to cut it.
When I'm mad, I get distracted. I try to stop myself, but shit happens, bro. When I'm angry, I get angry. Don't fuck with me.
Fucking mess up your mouth. I never have table manners.
I'll put my elbows all up on this motherfucking shit. No table manners.
No, this is how I eat. Disrespectful.
Mm-hmm. Whew, chilly at the end. I'm almost done. I'm gonna give this to my dog because it has like a little crunchy bone.
Live.
Shut your eyes over. Girl, I gotta fart.
Don't do it.
I'm not gonna do it.
Don't do it. My nose is running. And I can't catch it.
It's so good.
Okay, no more. Better just sit there and stay.
That was so good. I'm so full. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be all I'm gonna eat until like later.
In 2 hours I'll eat again.
Don't even talk about food right now.
Talk about food.
Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, this little mukbang, and I hope you guys enjoy my video before this, which is cooking this meal. And tell me what you want to see next. Tell me if I should do more cooking videos, like full meal, or just certain dishes you want to see better, you know. Other than that, yes, do me a favor and give this video a like if you like it, and subscribe to me if you don't subscribe. If you want to subscribe, I don't give a F, really. Other than that, you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.